Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar JISOO. She is back here. She created this new solo album called Mortgage, and she's a member of this Blackpink group in South Korea, now getting recognition all over the world with her new album, and this song is called Your Love. And yes, I'm aware this is not a typical guitar song, and it's not my intention to bring up only guitar songs. I want to have a wide variety of songs on this channel to show you how you can play a guitar in different ways. So anyway, let's go into this song. And we have this capo on the first fret. That's the best snare for us. We have 5 chords to handle. Let's go into the chords like we normally do, starting now with C. Okay, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor next, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have this A minor B, and what I do here, I keep that 1st fret B string, and I just go up with a finger, this mid finger usually, on the 2nd fret A. So that gives us 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. This works as a transition chord. And then we have the last D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there you have the 5 chords. Let's go into the main pattern here of this song, and it starts with C, and we need to learn the strumming. So grab that C chord, and 1 string around goes down, down, clap, down, up, like this. That is my interpretation of how to play this in the best way, and it matches with the rhythm and the tempo as well in this song. So 2 downs, 1 clap, and then down, up. So that is 1 string around. A couple of rounds goes like this. So down, down, clap, down, up is 1 round. Okay, so this main pattern consists of 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds, you're going to play C2, E minor 1, and D1. That's it. So C2, then E minor, D. You're going to play like that for the first 3 rounds. And the 4th and final round, you're going to play A minor 1, A minor B 1, and then D2. The 4th and final round. So A minor, next, and D. And that is the 4th round. And you just roll that almost through the entire song. I said almost because we're going to have a bridge part soon, but I just want to go give you one full round as a whole. You're gonna understand how it's done. So let's go. C2, E minor, D. One more time. And A minor. That is 1 round. Okay, that is the main part of the song. Then at 1 minute and 53 seconds in comes the bridge part, and here you're gonna play either strumming, the same we just learned, or just down clap, down clap. Okay, so you're gonna play A minor 2 rounds, then the A minor B 2 rounds, then C 2 rounds, and D 2 rounds, and that chord progression you play for 2 rounds. Okay, so either go like this, for 2 rounds, or for 2 rounds. And that clap you can do either on all the strings like this, like I just did, or just on the E string. And with that, you're gonna let the other strings from the chord ring out. So that could be a better scenario, to just hit the clap with your thumb on the E string, so you still have sound, since you don't have that much of action when it comes to downs, ups, and everything. So you just let the chord ring out like this. 2 rounds saw. And then you go back to the main, starting with C, play these 4 rounds, and you just roll that till the very end. And that is how you handle JISOO's Your Love. You could do that like this on a guitar. That's my interpretation of it. This is not the guitar song, yes, I know, but if you want to be one man, one guitar, or girl, then you could go for this style. So thank you for watching. If that was helpful, let me know, and see you soon. Play tuned.